Hey there, I'm Cy. I'm going to do a quick review for you of this Duck brand EZStart frustration-free packing tape. I've been using this for at least 10 years, probably more, and I really like it. I think it's a great value. So it has a wide temperature range for sticking, ranging from 14 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and give a quick demo of using it so you can see how easy it is to use. For sealing a box, I usually like to start just by securing it with a small piece of tape like this. So that's how easy it is to use. So this particular package of EZStart heavy duty packaging tape
has 8 rolls.
And it's a total of 440 yards. It does come in other sizes, but I just prefer to get the one with the 8 in it because I think it's the best value, or it usually is the best value. And I just wanted to share this EZStart tape with you because it's something I've used for a long time. So that's my quick review of this EZStart frustration-free packaging tape. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.